Welcome to our magical winter wonderland. Let's say goodnight to our snowy friends. Are you ready? Let's stroll through the snow. Hi, Mr. Gentle Polar Bear. Roaming on the ice. With his thick, white fur. Can you walk like a polar bear? Let's whisper. Good night, Mr. Gentle Polar Bear. Sleep well. Good night, Mr. Gentle Polar Bear. Hi, Miss Graceful Snowy Owl. Perched on a frosty branch. With her silent wings. What color is Miss Graceful Snowy Owl? Can we find a cozy tree for Miss Graceful Snowy Owl? Let's say, sweet dreams, Miss Graceful Snowy Owl. Good night, Miss Graceful Snowy Owl. Hi, Mr. Playful Penguin. Sliding on the snow. With his happy waddle. How does he slide so smoothly? Let's tell Mr. Playful Penguin, good night, and have icy dreams. Good night, Mr. Playful Penguin. Hi, Miss Swift Arctic Fox. Darting through the drifts. Snuggling in her snowy den. Can you run like Miss Swift Arctic Fox? Can we tuck Miss Swift Arctic Fox in? Say, good night, Miss Swift Arctic Fox. Good night, Miss Swift Arctic Fox. Hi, Mr. Majestic Moose. Standing by the frozen lake. With his grand antlers. Can you stand tall like Mr. Majestic Moose? Let's wish Mr. Majestic Moose a peaceful night. Good night, Mr. Majestic Moose. Hi, Little Snow Hare. Hopping in the powder. Fluffing up her fur after a day of play. Are you feeling sleepy too? Let's find a warm burrow for Little Snow Hare to rest. Say, good night, Little Snow Hare. Good night, Little Snow Hare. Hi, Mr. Clever Seal. Diving under the ice. Swimming in the cold seawater. Can you dive like Mr. Clever Seal? Let's say, good night, Mr. Clever Seal. Sleep well. Good night, Mr. Clever Seal. Hi, Miss Elegant Arctic Tern. Soaring in the cold air. Gliding gracefully between the ice peaks. Can you fly like Miss Elegant Arctic Tern? Let's tell Miss Elegant Arctic Tern good night and have a tranquil dream. Good night, Miss Elegant Arctic Tern. All our winter friends are now asleep. Under the twinkling northern lights. You've been a great adventurer. It's your bedtime too. Close your eyes. And dream of winter wonders. Good night, little one. Good night, Winter Wonderland.